Please be seated.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello.
This is a case of Miller versus Brewer.
Thank you, Jerome. Good day, everyone.
Good day.
Ms. Miller, you are here in hopes to save your family. You say Mr. Brewer's paternity denial of your twins has led you to pack up, move out, and relocate to another state. You have opened this case to prove to the defendant that he is the father and put your family back together. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Brewer, you claim Ms. Miller's shady behavior around the time of conception has put you in this precarious situation. You are here to finally get the truth and prove you are justified in your doubt. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Miller, you say your family is on the line.
Yes, it is.
Explain.
Your Honor, I love this man, Sean. And since I had the babies, our relationship has been on the rocks. So I'm just here to prove that the twins are indeed his babies.
It's not the twins that were in question, it's just Zara. It's not Zane and Zara, it's just Zara.
So you have fraternal twins.
Yes.
And you say only one child is in question.
Yes.
And so Zane, you believe, is yours.
That's my twin. He looked just like me.
But you don't believe Zara, the girl twin, is yours.
No, I do not.
So, Ms. Miller, what's the status of your relationship right now?
Well, I moved out of state, so I'm in Oklahoma now because the way he treats our babies.
What's going on? I can see you are emotional. What's going on?
So when I first got pregnant with the twins, everything was cool. Sean was there for me. Everything was good. And all of a sudden, he kind of switched up when he seen Zara.
Zara, she doesn't even really look like me.
Mr. Brewer, this doubt is eating away at you.
Yes.
Because you really don't feel like Zara's your biological child.
No, I don't, Your Honor.
Can you explain to the court why you feel this way?
Well, partially because Raquel, her shady actions is like when we met on a cruise, and then, you know, we got together. I'm like, oh, she's fine and everything. We got together.
And I didn't want to talk to him first. I gave him the wrong number.
Well, we talked.
Oh, well, how did you find her if you gave him the wrong number?
He stalked me and he found me.
I didn't stalk her, Your Honor.
Did she give you the wrong number, Mr. Brewer?
She did give me the wrong number, but I'm a chef. She was like, well, even if nothing don't happen, you can cook for me. And so, yeah. So she spells her name uniquely different than every other
So that's
Raquel.
how you found me.
That's how I found her on Instagram.
Oh, got it. And so you slid in her DMs, as they say?
Exactly.
And then slid into her bed.
Well, kind of, not so much like that, but one night we had sex, and then it just continued from there. And the second time we had sex, she actually pulled off the condom.
He is
so
lying.
So I'm thinking like, yeah, so I'm like, you know, it was cool then, but then I was like, well, how many other dudes has she did this with?
And that wasn't the second time. It probably was like the fourth or the fifth time.
And then you found out you were pregnant.
Yes.
So where did all this go wrong, Mr. Brewer?
So one night she was drinking heavily and everything, and she told me, oh, I cheated on you with a guy named Jose.
I don't know no Jose.
And she told me
the only Jose I know is Jose Cuervo. I don't know nobody.
Well, that must be Zara Cuervo then, you know.
Okay then. Yeah. So she told you she cheated on you with a guy named Jose. Yep,
so she would go missing for days, come back smelling like Black & Miles and cologne and stuff like that. And I didn't think that's what a woman should smell like. You know, you guys smell like perfume and lotion and stuff.
Sometimes I smoke Black & Miles occasionally.
But she didn't do that none of the 6 months to the year we was together. I never had seen her till she came. And then we have good privacy. I never looked in her phone. She never looked at my phone. Well, a few months later, she left. We were driving or something, and she had to move the car. So I did look in her phone, and I found penis pictures.
Those were old.
Oh.
Like way before I met him.
That was in October. We had got together in July.
So, Ms. Miller, did you have penis pictures in your phone?
I did, but they were really old. Like, he had to go back in the text and look at it, like, way back to look at old
No,
text.
I didn't, Yana. And then, not to mention, I'm doing dishes one day, and we're at the house. I'm doing dishes. She comes in, and she's like, oh, baby, I'll be back in a couple of hours. You know what I mean? I say, okay. So the door shut. I go to the window. She's hopping in the car with another man. I knew it was.
What?
I mean, I seen his hair. You know, flat top box. That's not a woman's hair.
He's crazy. He's so delusional. I don't know where he's getting this stuff from. him.
So you weren't getting in the car with another
that's
man?
not true at all.
That was Jose.
No.
So, Mr. Brewer, how long was she gone with this other man?
A few days, like the weekend. She would leave on Friday, come back like on Sunday night, Monday.
I don't remember.
So, after finding penis pictures in the phone, seeing her get in the car with another man, and her leaving for 3 days at a time, you said she must be sleeping with somebody else.
Yep, and she pops up pregnant. Like a month later or 5 weeks later, oh, I'm pregnant. Nonchalantly telling me, and then I'm like, oh, she's like, yeah, we got a 2-for-1 special, a Brewer special. And you know, I felt elated at first, then the doubt came in my mind, and then all of this, you know, her popping off the rubber and all of this stuff, and Jose and the cars.
So, Miss Miller, Mr. Brewer said the little shady actions.
Yeah, Mr. Brewer is delusional. Half the stuff he says is not true.
It's not?
Yeah, it's not true at all.
So who is Jose?
I told you, I don't know nobody named Jose.
If you want more episodes of Paternity Court, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. So whose car were you getting in? Why did you leave
I never
for
got into
3 days?
anyone's car. And that 3-day story, I don't even know where he got that from.
He's not just making all this up.
I think he's a little insecure because he's a little older than me, and he just says these out-of-pocket things.
How much older is he?
Like 15 years older than me. Yeah.
I look the same age as you, baby.
Please.
So, Mr. Brewer,
Yes.
for you to come up with all of this, you have to really feel doubtful.
I do, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
Take me to the birth.
So when the twins were born, I was there at the hospital. Like, I've been there during her pregnancy and everything, like thinking that both of them were mine.
Okay.
Rocked with it. Zara was born first. She was light bright, damn near white. I'm like, that's not my baby.
That's
She look
when it start
Mexican.
being weird.
She don't look nothing like me.
Your Honor,
Mr.
black
Brewer.
people can come in any shade or color.
I'm glad you said it, because I say it over and over again in this
Right.
courtroom. Nobody listens to me, except Jerome.
Your Honor, he signed Zane's birth certificate, but didn't sign Zara's.
Wow. So this is Zane's birth certificate. And on the second line, that is the acknowledgement of paternity.
Exactly.
And that's by you, Sean Brewer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's take a look at Zara's.
He didn't even sign it.
There is no acknowledgement of paternity, no signature.
How could you have twins and one of them not be yours?
Well, I can say that that is medically possible.
Well, I tell you, Your Honor, I have some evidence right here. Can
I would
submit
like to
this?
see it.
Thank you.
This evidence states what, Mr. Brewer?
1 in 400 twins can be born by paternal.
Double paternity is not uncommon. Medical research over the past 30 years has uncovered that superfecundation or double paternity is not as rare as previously thought. It has been suggested that among fraternal twins born in the U.S., one pair of twins in 400 are bipaternal.
And I also have something else, Your Honor. All my other children, I have a toe. If I may show you an exhibit up there, I have a toe that kind of curves like a C. Zane and I have it. Zara doesn't.
Ooh, you got some toes on you, Mr. Brewer.
Zara's feet look like mine.
Can I show you, Your Honor?
Now, you know when you're going to take the picture, you're supposed to lotion up your toes. So, Mr. Brewer, step over to the monitor and show me what you...
Thank you, Your Honor.
I hope you didn't come to court with them raggedy feet.
No. So this is my crusty foot.
Yeah.
But as you can see, the toe curves like a C, and it lays under. Zane's toe is just exactly like mine. It kind of, it's not as crusty, but it curves under like that,
Thank you, Lord. Uh-huh.
And then Zara's toe, as you can see, goes straight up. That's how I feel, Your Honor.
Zara's feet looks exactly like mine, like short and stubby ones. So she looked like me. He looked like him. She looked like me.
Jose's baby.
I just don't know where you got the name Jose from.
Exactly.
Because that's what she told me she cheated. I didn't make it up.
I have no clue
She
where
told
you
me
got
she
that
cheated on a guy with Jose, named Jose. And then, my baby come out looking Latino, so hola.
So what kind of relationship do you have with the twins?
With the twins, I love them both.
Well, Your Honor, I can tell you the kind of relationship he has. Whenever we go out and stuff, when we were together, he would always take pictures with Zane and like always hold Zane in a bunch of pictures. He rarely take pictures with Zara.
And this has upset you so much that you just decided to pack up and leave. You're a new mother.
Or what if she leaving because it's the truth? She do? Yeah.
Why would I want to come to court then?
We're gonna find out today.
Well, let's find out then.
What if you find out, Mr. Brewer, they are your biological children?
Well, I would I know Zane is mine, but I would definitely feel more elated if I knew the whole package was mine, both of the twins. And I'll be prepared to do what it takes to be a father to both of them.
And then what if one or both are not?
If they're not mine, I'll just be heartbroken, devastated. Look how pretty those babies are.
They're so cute.
Look, Zane look like me when I'm sleepy. Zara look like her when she been drinking Cuervo.
Leave them babies alone.
Right.
So the truth is, you really have not accepted Zara. You just don't believe she's yours.
I do not believe Zara's my baby.
And I can see when you look at your babies, Miss Miller, this bothers you.
It does. It bothers me a lot because I feel for them. And they notice when one is being treated a little different from the other one. They could pick up on that.
Babies can.
Exactly.
And so you feel like they've already had that sense that Zara knows that Mr. Brewer holds Zane more.
Exactly.
And this is the kind of situation where it's sad. It really is. It's not, I mean, you know, sometimes in this court when we do just kind of have to make light of difficult situations, we just find the laughter when we can because things are so heavy. But the truth is, I mean, you all were in a relationship and you had two beautiful twins, you thought. Then you had this doubt, so much so that you're doing research, finding out that there is a more likely chance than we think that twins could be paternal. This is a lot to just have new babies that are just 13 months old. You all should still be in the bliss of everything. And you didn't just have one blessing, you had two.
Mama baby, daddy's maybe.
But that's only with one baby.
But the
and
scientific...
now, Miss Miller, you're living in separate states.
Exactly.
This has bothered you so much that now you've packed up and just left.
Yep, I've been doing it by myself for like a month now.
That can't be easy.
It's not easy at all, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
I'll help you. I fly out there too. I flew out there twice already for the birthday in March.
He flew out for the birthday just to come to the party, and then he left. He didn't help with nothing.
I didn't ask her to leave. She left on her own.
Well, I wasn't getting no help, so I left.
I think the reason why you left is because that baby's not mine, Zara.
Well, we gonna find out today.
We gonna find out right now. Rome, I'm ready for the results.
There you go.
These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read as follows. In the case of Miller versus Brewer, when it comes to 13-month-old Zane Brewer, it has been determined by this court. Mr. Brewer, you are the father. The next result is for Zara. In the case of Miller versus Brewer, when it comes to 13-month-old Zara Brewer, it has been determined by this court. Mr. Brewer, you are the father.
I told you.
Well, I did have my doubts, Judge Lake.
So why do I see tears in your eyes?
Cause it's just emotions. It's been a long time dealing with it. It's been 22 months, you know. But I want to say I apologize, and to further my commitment what I would do today is ask you, will you marry me?
Really?
Yeah.
Other hand. You can stand with your fiance. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna get you for your engagement gift and your wedding gift. A pedicure, honey, because you ain't gonna show up. You ain't gonna show up to that wedding with them feet. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel like this can, finally be put to rest because I told him and now he finally believed me because you gave us the answer. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
but I still want you to go and talk to Dr. Jeff, get the counseling, talk through where you are, because I'm gonna tell you something. You've gotta know that there are gonna be many more ups and downs, and it is not always easy. But those two beautiful babies should be your #1 reason why that you continue to do it. I wish you a lifetime of limitless joy and happiness. Send us some pictures from the wedding, okay?
Okay.
All right, court is adjourned.
Thank you.